Hi, today we're going to talk about pregnancy and hair loss or hair gain. What is the effect of pregnancy on hair growth? When we are pregnant, we are having thicker, healthier, and shinier hair. And the reason for that is because of the hormone progesterone, which is being produced from placenta at a big concentration. So we have a huge concentration of progesterone in ladies' body during pregnancy, which affects the hair follicles to become healthier and thicker. However, after pregnancy, when placenta is removed from the body, all of a sudden progesterone drops, and for that reason a lot of women start shedding hair. The hair that has been supported by extra progesterone lose that support and it starts shedding. We call it telogen effluvium, which hair is lost, the volume of hair is less, people see hair coming out in bunches, and it usually lasts a few weeks after pregnancy. That active shedding part may last months, but usually stabilizes, and after 4 to 6 months, ladies should expect to go back to where they were before. I hope I was able to answer your questions about hair loss and hormonal changes during pregnancy. If you have more questions, you can check us on 𝘠𝘬𝘸𝘠𝑚. Put your questions in the comment section of the video, and we make sure we get back to it as soon as possible, or follow us on our social media.